Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you are an admin on the page or in Business Manager. Without admin rights, you cannot change core info. Once confirmed, open Facebook on desktop and navigate to your page, then click Settings or Edit Page Info because desktop exposes all fields. Make sure to have the official business name, address format, phone, and category ready. This speeds changes and avoids rejections, so you don't get stuck mid-edit and have to reopen documents later. Now you'll edit the core details. Navigate to Page Settings, then Page Info, and begin with name and username because these drive search and links. Once done, change categories to reflect services so Facebook displays the right call to action buttons. Next, update address, service area, hours, phone, and website. Be precise to avoid inconsistencies across platforms. If Facebook asks for verification documents, upload clear images immediately and save changes. This helps expedite approval and prevents repeated edits. Finish by reviewing the page as the public. Check desktop and mobile views, click links, and confirm contact functions work because visible errors affect customers. If a name or major change is restricted, request a review and attach business documents. This explains why the change is needed. If edits don't appear, clear your browser cache, try a different browser or account, and then contact Facebook support through the Help Center with screenshots. This troubleshooting step resolves most propagation or permission problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.